Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, May 16, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, coffee time again?
Hi, David. Yes, I need coffee. I'm so tired today.
Same here. Too many emails, you okay?
I'm okay. Just busy. 3 meetings this morning.
Ouch, you win. I only have one meeting, but it's with a big client.
Good luck with that. Do you like your coffee strong?
Oh yeah, strong coffee, strong sales. You read any news today?
Not yet. I was working all morning. What's new?
I saw something cool. In Germany, they made a new rule. People can work from home more.
Really? That's interesting. Why did they do that?
They want people to be happy at work. It's a law now. Companies must let workers choose.
Wow. That's good for employees. Work from home is nice sometimes.
Yeah, imagine no commute, more time for coffee.
True. But I like seeing people in the office. It's good for teamwork.
Sure, but some days I want to stay in my pajamas. No traffic, no stress.
I get it. Do you think our company will do that?
Maybe, but my boss loves meetings in person. He says it's better for sales.
It depends. Online meetings work well for my projects.
True, but clients like to shake hands, makes them trust you.
That's a good point. This law could change a lot of offices.
Yeah, maybe we get a mix. Some days home, some days here.
I like that idea. Balance is important.
Totally. Hey, speaking of work, did you hear about Tesla?
No? What happened with Tesla?
They opened a big new factory. It's in China for electric cars and batteries.
Oh, nice. That's big for technology. Why China?
It's cheaper to build there, and they sell a lot of cars in Asia.
Smart move. Electric cars are the future, right?
I think so. My friend bought one. He says it's super fast.
I like that they help the environment. Less gas, less pollution?
Yeah, but they're expensive. I can't buy one yet.
Me neither. Maybe one day. Does this factory make cars cheaper?
I hope so. If prices go down, maybe I get one.
That would be great. It's good for our planet too.
Right. And it's cool for tech jobs, more factories, more work.
Yes, technology is changing so fast. It's exciting.
Totally. I want a car that drives itself. Then I can drink coffee on the way.
Haha, you and your coffee? Be careful with that.
Always. Hey, you like music, right?
Yes, I love music. Why?
There's a new movie about a singer. It's on Netflix. Everyone's talking about it.
Oh, who's the singer?
It's about a young woman. She's a pop star. The movie shows her life.
Sounds fun. Is it a true story?
No, it's fiction, but it feels real. People say it's emotional.
I like emotional movies. Maybe I'll watch it this weekend.
You should. It's got great songs. My sister watched it. She cried.
Oh, really? Now I want to see it. I need a good cry sometimes.
Haha. It's perfect for that, and the music stays in your head.
Nice. I miss going to concerts. Do you go to concerts?
Sometimes. Last year I saw a rock band, so loud but so fun.
I went to a jazz concert once. It was so relaxing.
Jazz is cool, you're classy, Alex.
Thanks. I just like good music. This movie sounds like a plan.
Yeah? Watch it and tell me. We can talk about it tomorrow.
Deal. It's nice to have something fun after work.
For sure. Work hard, play hard, right?
Right. Oh, I have a question. Do you use social media a lot?
Yeah, I check it every day. Why?
The movie made me think. Social media is big for singers now.
Oh yeah. They post videos, get famous fast. It's crazy.
It is, but sometimes it's too much. People share everything.
True. I saw a client post about his dog. Cute, but I don't need to know.
Haha, yes. I like to keep work and life separate.
Same. But social media helps me find new clients. It's useful.
That's true. It's good for business, but I need breaks from it.
Yeah, unplug sometimes. Like go no phone, just coffee.
Exactly. Maybe we try that one day? A no-phone coffee break.
Love it. Just us and the coffee machine.
Perfect. Okay, I need to check my emails now.
Me too. Big sales call later. Wish me luck.
Good luck, David. You'll do great.
Thanks, Alex. See you tomorrow.
Yes, same time, same coffee.
Have a great day, Alex.
You too, David. Bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.